Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Disney Plus. Here you click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. We click here on storage and then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.